At Thor Motor Coach, our #1 priority is our customer, and we want to give them the best experience possible for when they're out on vacation, doing whatever they're doing in their RV. So how do we do that? One of the key things to that is to get good quality vendors and partners in the business, Xantrex being one of them. So we are able to create that experience that we want the customers to have. So it just works. We work with these vendors, and without them we couldn't do what we do. A big thing in our industry right now, and a main focus for Thor Motor Coach, is these residential refrigerators. Our customers absolutely love them. So very important. Nice thing about it is you're not using a lot of your LP propane to run this particular piece. One of the key ingredients to make it work, a Xantrex inverter. And we like the Xantrex inverter because we know that it's going to have enough juice to power this piece. We also tie it up sometimes into our microwaves and power in the front and the back of the coach because we know we've got the power to do so.